This one's for all the dragons out there. Hello, Shadow Dragons. Tonight we're going to draw Haze Shenron from Dragon Ball Super. As you have noticed, the Shadow Dragons are a group of spiritual entities created with the Dragon Balls, which have now turned blue. As the energy spits out of the Dragon Balls, create with every negative wish that's implanted on them. The effects become worse and worse. Haze Shenron's power is pollution. And that's what he does. Here's his skull. Here's his Basilosaurus jaws. His mouth is like a basking shark. Alexa, what is a basking shark?
Okay, here's animal sounds. Sorry, an error occurred.
Alexa, what is a basking shark?
Sorry, an error occurred.
Alexa, stop.
Goodbye.
There. Alexa, what is a basking shark?
Okay, here's animal
Alexa, stop.
sounds.
Sorry about that. I don't know what's up with him. Basking sharks are like large sea animals. Alexa, what is a basking fish?
The basking shark is the second largest living shark and fish, after the whale shark, and one of 3 plankton-eating shark species, along with the whale shark and megamouth shark. Adults typically reach 7.9 meters in length. It is usually grayish-brown, with mottled skin. The caudal fin has a strong lateral keel and a crescent shape.
All right. Secure. That's right. And complete. That's how you draw a haze shenron. The first dragon revealed on Dragon Ball. Super. And complete.